Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Clausing 20-inch variable speed drill press. It's a model 2271. It's 1 horsepower, single phase, 115, 230 volt. It's currently wired, well 220. It's currently wired for the 220 single phase. Morse taper 3 spindle with a drill chuck in it. Table's in great shape. All original paint. The speed dial is missing on this one. I will put one on. I have one in the shop, and it needs 2 handles. I scavenged them for a different machine, but I have more in the shop. I'll put them on as soon as I get a chance. But so low speed, you just twist the handle. Pull the handle down, it slows down. There you have it. You can check this machine out and more on my website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.